In this video, I would like to show you how you can perform basic math operations in Python. So this is a comment. This is how we declare a comment. Anything after hash is considered a comment. So for example, we have a variable. So variable 1 as 10, for example. We have variable 2 as 20, for example. So if you need to calculate or add sum of these two variables, you can do it simply by adding them. So you can declare a variable, or you can use total as a variable. Tel equals variable 1 plus variable 2. You can do something like this. So this will give you the sum of both variables combined. So if you need to print this statement to your console, if you need to get the result, you have to print total. So if you run this, you can see the output is 30. Similarly, we can do like subtraction, for example. Subtraction equals variable 1 minus variable 2. And you can do like multiplication, for example, as variable 1 and a star for multiplication, variable 2. And this will apply on floats or complex numbers also. And if you need to perform a division, you can do variable 1 divided by variable 2 for that matter. So if I print, for example, sub, that will print the subtracted value. If I print for example mul, this is the variable which we declared over here for getting the multiplied value of these two variables. Similarly, if we print the next statement, we are going to get the divided value for matter. So if you run this program right now, you can see we have these values available. So 20 minus 10, we are going to get minus 10. So things like that. So besides this, you can do like reminder. So reminder equals variable 1 and percentage sign for getting a reminder. So variable 2. And if we print that statement, we are going to get the value of the reminder, like pi equals 3.141516, something like this. So it's not the actual value of pi, but if I print of pi, if I print this value, you can see we have the value entered properly. But if we enter something longer, I think we need to enter a bit longer. So you can see it just trimmed the values. So you need to be careful with the precision. So that's one thing you need to be careful with these math operations in them. So I hope this one was helpful. I hope you all have a wonderful day.